Hey, Skyview Academy Middle School. We're going to talk about two final literary elements. One is suspense and the impact suspense has on the audience to increase the level of interest and engagement in any literary activity or artistic genre. We will wrap up with hyperbole just one more time because, in my opinion, hyperbole is the greatest literary element of all time ever in the history of the entire universe. Do you see what I did there? Let's first start with suspense. Suspense is the intense feeling that an audience goes through while waiting for the outcome of certain events. Often, editors will use things like music, coloring, flashing scenes, and intense activity to create a greater suspense to engage the audience further. Let's watch this clip to see what happens.
Think happens to someone after they die?
He phones in one of those radio call-in shows, tells them, I need a new wife. What possessed you to give them our address?
He called and asked for it.
There are a lot of desperate women out there looking for love, especially over a certain age.
What if this man is my destiny and I never meet him?
Jonah!
Take a minute to pause the Prezi/YouTube video and describe the suspense that you just experienced from the previous clip. What increased the intensity and what had a great impact on building suspense for the audience. Now we're going to watch the official trailer for this movie and compare and contrast the differences between the suspense-filled trailer and the original trailer, official trailer, and what it did to change the feeling of the movie. You're going to explain the impact of suspense and make a connection to a book or movie or TV show that uses suspense to impact the plot. What is the impact to the viewer and the reader? Additionally, think of your own trailer or movie clip that you could change and make it more intense.
If you've just tuned in, we're talking to Sleepless in Seattle.
You called a radio station? Christmas Eve. He phones in one of those radio call-in shows. He tells them
That his dad needs a new wife.
And the shrinkette practically forces the guy onto the phone and says,
Tell me, what was so special about your wife?
Well, Dr. Marshallfield's taught, I think. It was like magic.
Sleepless in Seattle?
That's what she called him on the show because he can't sleep.
And now 2,000 women want his number.
Dear Sleepless in Seattle, you're the most attractive man I ever laid ears on.
The guy could be a crackhead.
Actually, he sounded nice.
You know it's easier to be killed by terrorists than it is to get married over the age of 40.
That's not true. That statistic is not true.
That's right, it's not true. But it feels true.
Sandy has a girlfriend, Glenda. She's a weightlifter. Well, I mean, it's not like her neck is bigger than her head.
No. I'm not asking you to set me up.
What about Walter?
Walter and I are engaged.
Today, I consider myself the luckiest man on face of the earth.
The Lou Gehrig line. Lou Gehrig line.
When's the last time you were out there?
Jimmy Carter, 1978.
Things are a little different now.
I'm having all of these fantasies about some man I have never even met who lives in Seattle.
It rains 9 months of the year in Seattle.
I know.
Tiramisu.
What is tiramisu?
You'll see.
Some woman is going to want me to do it to her, and I'm not going to know what it is.
You'll love it.
What if I never meet him? What if this man is my destiny and I never meet him?
Your destiny can be your doom.
I want to meet you. Dad, read this.
Where is Seattle? Right. Where's Baltimore? Ah, it's right there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like
Coda
26
suspense.
But what I really don't want to do is end up always wondering what might have happened and knowing I could have done something. It's just crazy.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. What women are looking for. Pecs and a cute butt.
This is the one I like.
There is no way that we are going on a plane to meet some woman who could be a crazy, sick lunatic. Didn't you see Fatal Attraction?
I mean, you can't even turn on the news nowadays without hearing about how some babe thought some guy's butt was cute.
So how's my butt?
Not bad.
Really?
Yeah.
Is it cute, though?
Grading on a curve?
And so, what is the impacted change from going from the suspense trailer to the actual official movie trailer? Take a minute to respond to those questions, think about it, and think about how you would change an official movie trailer that may or may not have been suspenseful. And now, hyperbole, and a few others.
The sound, yes, I'm in the zone. The stars creep as I sleep, it's keeping me awake.
Quick to the point, no faking. Cooking MCs like a pound of bacon. Copping it, washing it, about to go and get some compliments, passing up on those moccasins someone else has been walking. It's the house telling you to close your eyes. Black and blue, beat me till I'm numb. Baby, just shout it out, baby, just shout it out, yeah. I had a broken keyboard, I bought a broken keyboard. I bought a ski blanket, then I bought a kneeboard. Dry lightning cracks across the skies. I tried so hard to let you go, but some kind of madness is swallowing me whole. Paint the picture of the perfect place that got it better than what anyone's told you. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. I was studying your hands. I don't know if I'll have the strength to stand. Oh. Shot me out of the sky. You're my kryptonite. you were what you were. Like I've been wandering the desert for 1,000 days. Once upon a time we fell apart. You hold it in your hands, you two halves in my heart. Oh, oh. Gotta get that. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. Gotta get that. Boom, boom, boom. Said I'm so sick of love songs, so sad and slow. So why? My heart's a stereo. It beats for you, so listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, oh. Fine light in the beautiful sea. I chose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. My songs know what you did in the dark. Now and then I think of when we were together. Like when you said you felt so happy you could die. Now I'm feeling so fly like a G6. Putting my defenses up, 'cause I don't wanna fall in love. If I ever did that, I think I'd have a heart attack. You are the thunder and I am the lightning. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. Well, I came home like a stone, and I fell heavy into your arms.
As you can see, if you look around, there are examples of literary elements everywhere.
I've died every day waiting for you. Darling, don't be afraid. I have loved you for 1,000 years.
Just remember, they change everything you watch, everything you see, and make them better.